The U.S. Air Force now operates as many as 54 operational F-35A fifth-generation fighter jets at Eielson Air Force Base, Alaska, increasing the service's attack range and firepower across the Northern Hemisphere. An Air Force TV report said that 2 full operational fighter squadrons are now online at Eielson, offering commanders near the Arctic new opportunities to mass combat power, conduct surveillance, or even launch attack missions if needed. F-35 stealth fighters stationed in Alaska can reach anywhere in the Northern Hemisphere in one sortie, meaning it places critically strategic areas in the Arctic within the mission envelope available to the group of fifth-generation aircraft. Given the F-35's advanced networking capabilities, larger numbers of the jets operating in tandem introduces tactical possibilities that were previously not possible. For instance, while it was engineered to conduct surveillance and launch attacks at effective standoff ranges and dispersed formations, the F-35 is also built with a common multi-function data link network. MADL quickly and efficiently connects F-35s to one another, enabling rapid transmission of intelligence information, surveillance data, or targeting detail between formations or squadrons of the jet. This means groups of F-35s can coordinate across formations spanning large operational areas due to the speed, security, and effectiveness of the data link. A key point here is that, while the F-35 is built to function independently, it is also engineered to leverage its ability to cooperate across formations, which greatly increase combat effectiveness and effect. Placing large numbers of operational F-35s in Alaska also brings additional strategic benefits given the ongoing competition with Russia for influence and presence in the Arctic. Alaska is only 55 miles away from Russia's coast, placing eastern parts of Russia within easy striking range for formations of F-35s should that be necessary. The operational benefits of placing 2 squadrons of F-35s in Alaska is strengthened by previous Air Force efforts to test the jet in extreme cold weather conditions at Eglin Air Force Base, FL. In a special climatic chamber at Eglin as far back as 2015, the F-35 was exposed to temperatures as low as 40 degrees below zero and subjected to ice, snow, wind, and harsh Arctic conditions.